Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch touchscreen radio replacement for BMW E39, X5, M5, E53, E38, E38. Okay, let me unbox review. It's Android 12 version. Okay. It's GPS antenna and harness and parts. This use menu and this head unit. Let me show harness first. Okay, this is GPS antenna. You can check the GPS and this type. And use menu. Okay. And this install screen and install metal parts come with head unit together. And this external microphone. And there are two USB cable, long cable. This is main plug. You can check. Plug and play. The CAN bus already built in the head unit. And this camera RC type and other connection. This is subwoofer. You can check subwoofer RC type. RC type. Okay. Audio out front. Is front and rear, left and right. Okay, let me show head unit. This back of head unit, you can check this wiring diagram. This wiring diagram of our head unit. And 12 voltage. Okay, it's 4G. There 4G, Wi-Fi. This GPS, this radio antenna, and USB. This connection for audio. And this fuse and main power female, and we already built in the CAN bus decoder in head unit. Okay, strong mate, and you can check their SIM card slot. SIM card slot. You can put the SIM card slot. And there are two 4G antenna. You can check already built in 4G antenna, two 4G antenna, SIM card slot. Okay. Okay, let me power with head unit. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay, if your car has factory that DSP amplifier and Harman Kardon system, you need to buy spatial line cable or adapter from us. Okay, you can check the screen. This radio. Navy music. Bluetooth and video settings. All apps and it built in the DSP amplifier. DAB, Play Store, Google Maps, radio video navigation, and audio is Spotify, WhatsApp, and Z-Link 5. Let me check the Z-Link 5. It's built in the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This wireless Android Auto and the wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me show the settings. Find the settings. Settings. What device? This Android version is 12 and CPU and the RAM 8 GB and ROM 128 GB. Okay, let me back. System and you can change the language. We already built in the other language. And storage, you can check 128 GB. They are built in the microphone and reset hole and SD card slot. There is 128 GB. Okay. And built in the Wi-Fi and 4G, you can put the SIM card, then it will work with the 4G. This factory car settings, this best settings, and keep brake, beep brake, and rear camera settings, namely settings. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.